Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the hitch class and trailer ratings so you don't overload components. Once done, park level, chalk wheels, and engage the parking brake to prevent movement. You then lower the trailer coupler toward the ball, aligning center lines. Make sure the ball size matches the coupler. Slowly back the tow vehicle or use a jack to position the coupler over the ball. Secure the coupler latch and replace the safety pin. Inspect for debris or rust that could stop full. You now focus on securing and testing the vital connections. After latching and pinning the coupler, lift slightly on the tongue to confirm the coupler is fully seated on the ball. You should not be able to separate them. Cross the safety chains under the tongue and attach to the hitch loops with appropriate slack for turns, but no dragging. Plug in the trailer wiring, cycle turn signals and brakes, and have someone confirm all lamps and the electric brake function properly before moving. Finish by verifying tongue weight and overall balance so handling stays predictable. Move cargo if the trailer is nose light or heavy. Tighten the hitch ball nut to factory torque, inspect all mounting bolts, and confirm the coupler pin and clip are secure. Do a slow test drive and recheck lights, brakes, and chain clearance. If you experience sway or weak braking, pull over, redistribute load, ensure chains are crossed, and adjust or recalibrate the trailer brake controller as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.